I'm going to attempt to fix this fucking pedal here. If I can get that lithium grease in there. It's been getting stuck. Let me get it. See if I can get it underneath. What is going on? I gotta check what's going on in there first. So I'm going to depress it or press it. And see what happens. Alright. Get that up in there if I can. Fuck it. Get it into either side. In there. Oops, that fucking thing came out. You just gotta be careful I don't put in too much, I guess. Ooh, that's some smooth action. Oh, that's moving quite a bit, actually. Damn. But already I can feel it. It's smoother. Okay, let me get some underneath maybe. I think it should be okay. Wow, it's definitely improved. Okay. Let me get it a little bit. Okay. Well, wow. Whoa, that's moving a little easier. Definitely an improvement. So that might fix my sticking pedal. White lithium grease is non-corrosive and it can withstand apparently some crazy temperatures. Okay, and one more spray and we'll call it a day and we'll go test drive it. Okay. That's all she wrote for that. We'll give it a go and we'll see.